Today we're going to speak about linking multiple networks and resource groups within the Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.3 console. This is a helpful new feature which allows administrators to multi-select networks and resource groups and import them all at the same time, rather than the previous behavior where an administrator would need to link them individually. This should hopefully save time and frustration for administrators in large environments. To perform this action, we need to go to the Azure Environment menu, and for networks, click the Link Network option. A selection of available subnets will be presented, and we can simply select multiple in order to link them all in one go. Simply click OK to complete that process. Similarly, for resource groups, we click the Link Resource Group icon, and we select our desired resource groups and click OK to link these all in one operation. I hope this information has been useful. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you again.